Alright, well this niche is the last that I've got to do, and that's my bathroom done. All I got to do now is after this clean up and I'm out of here. The old knobbly mosaic. It's not too bad. Saturday night, I was just listening to Saturday Night Fever. Oh. It was cool. It was cool back then. I was in my 20s. That's how long ago that song came out. All good. This is why I leave a bit sticking out, DIYs, because then I just go around it with a bit of silicone, whooshka. And it makes it all nice and tidy. I love it. See how tidy you can get it? Oh, missed a bit. Tricky now because I've sprayed it. Bummer. Oh, that's coming out all right. Saturday Night Fever. Out with the hand tool. Whoop. We're watching on the telly the, what's it called? It's a series on Netflix, Outlander. Oh God, geez, it goes on and on and on and on and on. but it's not bad watching, folks. Outlander, it's called. Netflix. Good to relax in front of the telly for a couple of hours each night, just to sort of recoup, think of what my day's been, what I need for the next day, materials, catch up with people that are asking a question on YouTube while I'm watching a movie. It's all good. Saturday Night Fever. Sometimes when you come back to something, you just get a little bit more silicone from it, and you make a nicer joint, a nicer bead the second time. What's that there? Bit of glue, bummer. Sometimes you don't notice you have a little bit of glue just in the road. I'll come back to that in a sec. Nice. Just get the excess off the aluminium. Just see if we can get this. One last piece. See my spray? You can actually see the bubbles running this way, which is all good. All right, DIYs, stand back, have a look, chook. Okay, that's another, I'll get this shit out of here, and that's another bathroom done. I might just give the walls one more little wipe with a real clean water. That's a bit of from texture. Now see here, I could fill that, but then the plumber won't be able to paint if I silicone it. So I talked to the painter yesterday and I said, mate, can you no more gaps, you know, with the liquid, you know, with the bloody cork, with the cork they use. I run a mile when it comes to that stuff. Cork, yeah. So he'll cork that and then he can paint it, and it'll be hunky-dory, same as that window there. Okay, on Monday we're on to the next one. So lean in, DIYers. The owner is stripping it out. He hasn't got a clue what he's doing, so I don't know what it's gonna be like on Monday morning, but hopefully it's not bad. It'll be all right. So yeah, Monday morning onto a fresh bathroom. See ya. Have a good weekend, everyone.